Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to hire a freelancer Fiverr using a phone. Let's get started. First, open the app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are on your home page, tap the search bar at the top. Type in what you need help with, like logo design, video editing, or social media management. Fiverr will show you a list of freelancers who often offer that service. Next, scroll through the option. You can see each freelancer profile, rating, and starting price right away. Tap on a freelancer gig to open it. Here you will find more details about the offer, samples of their work, delivery time, and customer reviews. If you like their work but want to ask something before hiring, tap the contact or chat icon at the bottom right. You can directly chat with them and explain what you need. Once you are ready to hire, tap the green continue button at the bottom. Choose your package, basic, standard, or premium depending on your budget and needs. Then review your order details and tap order now. You will be asked to confirm your payment. On iPhone, you can easily pay with Apple Pay, debit card, credit card, or even PayPal. After placing the order, you will see an order page where you can send instructions or files to the freelancer. From here, just wait while they work on your project. When they deliver, you can review the work request or revision if needed, or approve it. Once approved, the payment is released to the freelancer, and that's it. You have just hired a freelancer on Fiverr using phone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.